hateful rhetoric, idolatry of debt, theft of honest votes. Election 2024, another pivotal year on the world stage. Democrats demolish democracy. Republicans squander the republic. Independents ignore the landscape. Micah 7, verses 3 through 4. All hands are skilled in doing evil. The ruler demands gifts. The judge accepts bribes. The powerful dictate what they desire. They all conspire together. The best of them is like a briar, the most upright worse than a thorn hedge. The day of your watchman has come, the day God visits you. Now is the time of their confusion. Election 2024. Vote sandbag. Sandbag, the same solution in a time of confusion. The Consider Podcast, examining today's wisdom, folly, and madness. www.consider.info